I'm gonna show you how to master the perfect Belgian Liege waffle. Coming up. When you think of Belgium, what do you think of? Waffles, right? Since I've moved here, I've been trying to figure out how to master the most perfect Belgian Liege waffle that matches what I'm tasting out in the street. Now, I've already made this one. I can confirm that this tastes authentic. And believe me, I know. What you need to do is get yourself one inexpensive waffle iron. Super straightforward. The iron, one dial, easy. To start things off, you'll need a small bowl. The first ingredient is every little kitten's favorite, lukewarm milk. Sprinkle on the surface some sugar and active dry yeast. You'll want to have this hang out for 15 minutes until the yeast turns into a soft foam. In your milk yeast mixture, you want to add melted butter, vanilla extract, and some eggs. Give it a good stir with a whisk until it's all mixed together. In a larger bowl, you want to add some flour, a pinch of salt, and give it a good stir. What you want to do is create a well in your flour mixture and then add the liquid mixture into that well. Add a bit more. Mixing it together until it becomes a soft dough. Put it into a warm place for half an hour until it doubles in size. You want to put a kitchen towel over top. Voila. I'm going to throw it in the oven on the lowest setting possible. Just going to have it hang out there for 30 minutes. Double in size. Now we want to add some pearl sugar. And I know you're wondering what pearl sugar is. Well, let me tell you. They are little stones of sugar that are very hard and coarse and can withstand the heat and temperature that is used with baking. I didn't know what they were until I moved to Belgium. Now I see them everywhere. The great thing about pearl sugar is that it stays intact, so you're biting into these little pebbles of sugar. Dust off your waffle iron. Add some butter. With the dough the size of this is in between a golf ball and a baseball. And I'm gonna put it directly onto the grill here. I have them in here for about 5 minutes, but mostly I keep an eye on it. It's a visual thing. Once they start looking something like this, nice and golden on the top, it means they're pretty much ready. Check out all the pearl sugar that withstood the waffle iron heat. Those are the true heroes of today. Yes. Yeah. It turns out every time. This is a foolproof recipe. You can put chocolate on top, you can put sugar on top, you can put syrup on top, but no, don't do that. Just eat it as it is. It's beautiful on its own. Just like the trucks down the street from where I am right now. Get yourself a waffle iron, follow the ingredients in the description below, take a look at the original recipe, which is the inspiration for this. Visit Belgium, visit Brussels, do whatever you gotta do. I want you to try these waffles. You won't regret it. Please let me know if you guys give it a shot. I would love to hear how yours turned out. Just have a couple though. This is too many. That's it for me. If you like this episode, make sure you're subscribed so you can check out more of Anti-Chef. Lots more coming. Weekly. It's now weekly. Comment down below, say hello. tell me something funny. I'll see you soon. Bye.